The first step is to open Google Calendar. Scroll to other calendars and then click the plus button. Click Browse Resources. Find the resources that you would like to book, then click the drop-down menu. Click the checkbox to subscribe to KLHALLGF Cool Hall Shawl, 480. Scroll down and click back arrow to return to calendar. Scroll down and click Options for Cool Hall GF Cool Hall Shawl, 480. Click Display this only to see the availability of the resources, room you want to book. Scroll up and click the arrow left or right to find the date and time you would like to book the device, room. Scroll up and click the time slot you would want to book the resource, room. A calendar event will pop out. Type the event title. Scroll down and click More Options. Scroll up and click Rooms. Click Search for room or resource. Type the room or resource you would like to book. Click Cool Hall Shawl. Scroll down and click Description. Type description, for example, you would like a PA system. Click Save. In your Google Calendar, you will see that you have successfully made your booking. That's it. You're done.